Namaskar, stand students. In our last video class, we were doing some fill in the blanks types question. Today's class also we will start with fill in the blanks types question. So let's start. Our heading is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. BLANKS. Fill in the blanks. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1 is dash tool is used to draw circle or oval. Dash tool is used to draw circle or oval. Question number 2. Question number 2 is dash tool is used to select picture in dash tool is used to select select picture in proper proper square or in rectangular rectangular shape. Question number 3. Question number 3 is the short form of Microsoft is dash. The short form of Microsoft is dash. Now let's see the answers. Question number 1. Question number 1 is dash tool is used to draw circle or oval. So the question is which tool helps us to draw circle or oval in MS Paint? The answer is ellipse tool. Ellipse tool, ELLIPAC. Ellipse tool is used to draw circle or oval. Next, question number 2. Dash tool is used to select picture in proper square or in rectangular shape. The answer is selection tool. Selection tool or select tool. SELECT. Select tool. Number 3. The short form of Microsoft is dash. The short form of Microsoft is MS. M and S. Microsoft. Now we are going to next type of questions. This time heading is name this thing. Name this thing. In these types of question, we will have or we will see some hints about something, and we have to identify that thing after reading and understanding that hints. Those hints. Okay. So our first question is question number 1. This is one of 4 main parts of computer. It is an input device. It has 3 buttons. It has 3 buttons like left button, right button and scroll button. What is the thing? This is one of 4 main parts of computer. Computer has 4 main parts. What are they? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Okay. So this is one of these 4 main parts of computer. It is an input device. We all know that keyboard and mouse, these are the two input devices among these four main parts. Okay, we have read about those in KG2. In KG2, it has three buttons. That means that device has three buttons. What are their name? Left button, right button, and scroll button. So it is easy now to think what is the name of that thing. It is mouse. It is computer mouse, or we can say mouse. Mouse is one of four main parts. Computer has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. And mouse is one of four main parts. Okay, it is an input device. Mouse is an input device, and mouse is also known as pointing device. So mouse is an input device. It has three buttons. Mouse has three buttons. What are their name? Left button, right button, and scroll button. These are the three buttons of mouse. So the thing is mouse. So in this way we have to understand that thing after understanding all those hints. Okay, now we are heading to next question. Okay, our next question is question number 2. Okay, this thing looks, this thing looks like a small mat. Small mat. We know about mat. We all used to sit on summer days. Okay. Small mat. It is used to keep our computer mouse. It is used to keep our computer mouse It is used, that means we keep our computer mouse on that thing, on that small mat. So what is that thing? What is that mat? What is the name of the mat? So now name is mouse pad. MOUSE, mouse pad. Number 3. Question number 3 is this is the name, this is the name of a sound, or this is sound. This is a name of a sound. This is the name of a sound. It appears, it appears, the sound appears when we press PRESS any button of a computer mouse. What is the name of the sound? This is a name, this is name of a sound. The sound appears when we press any button of a computer mouse. When we press any button of a computer mouse, the sound appears. Now, what is the name of the sound? The name of the sound is click. C-L-I-C-K. C-L-I-C-K. The name of the sound is click. Okay. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is, this is one of our 5 fingers. This is one of our 5 fingers. How many fingers do we have in one hand? 5 fingers. And this is one of our 5 fingers. Okay, and every finger has a name. Thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and this is the tiny finger or small finger. Okay, little finger. Sorry. Okay. Now this is one of our 5 fingers. We put it. It means here one of the 5 fingers. We put it on the left button of computer mouse. What is the name of the finger? The name of the finger is index finger. Index finger, because we put index finger on the left mouse button. On the left button of mouse we put index finger. Now question number 5, last question of today's class. Okay, the same, this is one of our 5 fingers. This is one of our 5 fingers. We put it on the right button of computer mouse. COMPUTER, computer mouse. What is the name of that thing? What is the name of that finger? The finger is middle finger. MIDDLE, middle finger. FINGER, index finger. Okay, the name of the finger is middle finger. So this is our today's class. This is your CW and AW both at once. In our next video class we will discuss more about this name of these things types question. Till then, namaskar all standard students.